Honor me, Proverbs chapter 3, verse 9. Honor me with your first fruits, the substance of all your increase. Honor me with that. And so now that you are anointed, now that you are graced, now giving must be a big part of you, because it's the nature of God. The nature of man is to hoard. Hoarding is keeping things. Yeah. They say, Pastor, ek is a giver. I don't think so. The devil kills, steals, and destroys. That's his nature. Only God is a true giver by nature. Go into your cupboards here. You that tell me I'm a giver. And when there's a new function at Pigal's, then your wife tell you, I have nothing to wear. Kyk hierdie kas breek by die nate uit. Dan sê jou vrou, I have nothing to wear. I must go get me something. Now when you're going to give away so we can make more space, leave my clothes. I'm still going to fit into it. I'm getting back there. Can see I'm working on my diet. And then I must buy new clothes. No, you will order. Go through your whole house and see how many things is there that you don't need. Go into your husband's garage. Daddy, kan ons maar die bokse weggooi? Hey, los my goed af. Los net my goed af. Pla my goed jou los. Maar daddy, ons maak hier space om nou nog los my goed. You will order. It's the nature of man. Don't feel bad. We are all having that. And so when God sees his nature displayed through us, it gives him so much joy.